Have you ever felt like your Canva workspace was just too cluttered to actually get any work done? Maybe you have a complex design with 20 different elements and you just need one specific layer out of the way so you can focus on the background. Most people think you have to delete things or move them off the canvas entirely. But there is a much better way to handle this. Let's jump right in. First, you need to select the specific element or image that is currently in your way. Once you have it highlighted, head over to the top menu and tap on Position. From there, you will see a tab labeled Layers. This opens up your entire timeline of elements, which is the secret to staying organized. Now, the first way to hide something is perfect if you just want it out of your direct line of sight while you work on the foreground. You can simply send the layer to the very back of the stack. If you have a solid background or a large shape at the bottom of your list, sending an element behind it effectively hides it from your view without removing it from the project. It stays exactly where you placed it, but it stops interfering with your clicks. The second method is even more effective if you need the element to stay in its exact position but become totally invisible. With your layer selected, look for the transparency tool, which looks like a small checkerboard icon. Take that slider and drag it all the way down to 0. Your element is now completely invisible on the canvas. The best part is that you can still manage these hidden pieces easily. Just go back to that layers panel we opened earlier. You will notice some layers appear blank or empty. These are your hidden elements with zero transparency. You can click them in the list at any time to bring the transparency back up or move them around. It is the easiest way to keep your creative flow going without making permanent changes you might regret later. I hope this helps you clean up your next design project. Subscribe for more Canva tips to level up your workflow. See you in the next one.